Yeah, good morning, students, and welcome to the English class. Today, we are going to study about the next poem in lesson number 3 or unit 3, that is how to tell wild animals. Once we do this, I'll also be discussing the first, we'll read through this poem, and then I would be discussing the answers to the textual questions yesterday, and then we'll proceed with the explanation of the poem. So, How to Tell Wild Animals by Caroline Wells. She was an author in the 1800s, and she has authored many books. Out of that, one of the book that we may know is The Jungle Book. This poem is a humorous poem, and it suggests some dangerous ways to identify for or to tell wild animals, as the name suggests. How to tell. Here, to tell means how to identify. So let's first read the poem and along with the pictures. The poem says, if you ever should go by chance to jungles in the east, and if there should to you advance a large and tawny beast, if he roars at you as you're dying, you will know it is the Asian lion. So is this a way to identify a lion? Or if sometime when roaming around, a noble wild beast greets you with black stripes on a yellow ground. Just notice if he eats you. The simple rule may help you learn the Bengal tiger to discern. If strolling forth a beast you view, whose hide with spots is peppered, as soon as he has leapt on you, you will know it is the leopard. It will do no good to roar with pain. He will only lap and lap again. If, when you're walking round your yard, you meet a creature there who hugs you very, very hard, be sure it's a bear. If you have any doubts, I guess he will give you just one more caress. Though to distinguish beasts of prey, a novice might nonplus. The crocodile you always may tell from the hyena thus. Hyenas come with merry smiles, but if they weep, they are crocodiles. The true chameleon is small, a lizard sort of thing. He hasn't any ears at all, and not a single wing. If there is nothing on the tree, it is the chameleon you see. So, the poem by Caroline Wells. So, let's proceed towards the presentation for the right. So, here we are. We would be looking through the presentation first. Initially, we will be going through the solution to yesterday's questions. Here we are going through the quick slides of the lesson, and then this was the textual exercise. Please open this part of the textbook, and this is the solution to it. The meaning of black in this sentence is that the face and hands are dark because of dust and dirt. The second one, here, black refers to an angry look. Third, here, blackest refers to the darkest and the cruelest crime against humanity. Number 4, here black refers to dark and gloomy comedy. Number 5, the meaning of black in this sentence is that the shopkeepers sell the described goods at a higher price. Number 6, here black means that the criminal suffered excessive beating at the hands of the villages, that is black and blue. Now to question number 2. So for flying, we need to identify the meanings of the phrases that are given in the fill in the blanks, like fly a flag, move quickly or suddenly. So we have to match the following. So this will be your answer, like fly a flag means display a flag on a long pole. Fly into rage is become suddenly very angry. Fly along means move quickly or suddenly. Fly high is be successful. Fly the coop means escape from a place. So now we'll move along to the explanation of the poem How to Tell Wild Animals, paragraph wise. So let's proceed ahead. Here we are. If ever you should go by chance to jungles in the east, and if there should to you advance a large and tawny beast, if he roars at you as you're dying, you will know it is the Asian lion. So here tawny means yellow brownish color of the skin of the lion is called as tawny. The poet is telling the readers that how they can recognize various animals in the jungles of the east. So in the first stanza, she says that if the reader comes across an animal whose skin is yellowish brown in color, and if it roars at him so strongly that he can die out of fear, it means he has encountered an Asian lion. She has humorously explained the Asian lion which would kill a person with its roar. Obviously, when you see a lion roaring, you are surely going to die, and while dying you understand, you recognize that this is a tawny beast which is roaring at you, then it will be a lion. Well, will it be of any use to recognize a lion when you are dying? So this is a humorous way of telling people how to recognize wild animals. So the literary devices, the rhyme scheme of the poem is ABABCC throughout in all the paragraphs. Okay, so one is enjambment, continuation of the sentence in the line after line without any punctuation mark. Then inversion, change in the sentence, like if there should to you advance. Okay, if there should to you advance is not the correct form of the sentence, so that is inversion. Assonance, use of vowels on, you should go, you should to you, roars. Allusion refers to a famous thing, place, species, Asian lion. It's an allusion. Allusion means it refers to a species, thing, place or species of animal. So I hope para 1 is clear. She is asking us how to recognize the Asian lion. The second paragraph is about the tiger. If strolling forth a beast you view, whose hide with spots is peppered, as soon as he has leapt on you, you will know it is the leopard. It will do no good to roar with pain, he'll only leap and leap again. Strolling meaning walking casually, forth, forward. Hide, skin of animal. Peppered, here it means spots. We know that there are spots on the body of a leopard. Leapt, jump towards someone. The poet says if you are casually walking in the jungle, you will meet an animal who has a skin with spots. This animal is so fast that it will leap on you at once, which means that it will jump on you. This jumping is an indication that it is none other than the leopard. Moreover, she adds that if you will cry out in pain, it is not going to be of any use, as it will keep on jumping on you. So in this stanza, the poet has explained the characteristics of a leopard, how a leopard jumps and leaps on you and doesn't bother about the pain in which you're crying. So thank you, and we'll continue in the next video.